This is the emergency alert system broadcasting the Jared the Yankee Overdrive Master channel. This video contains valid emergency alert tones, as the creator for this is not responsible for any of these tones. All EAS mocks are fake, and they should be for entertainment purposes only. And another thing, do not play any of these tones in the air, as they may cause panic. Anyways, enjoy this video.
Good morning everyone, and welcome to the morning news. I am Daniel. The weather for this Easter weekend is that it's going to be clear. It will be a great time to enjoy the weekend. And this weekend's top story is that there will be a big Easter egg hunt at the Lumen Field in the city of Seattle. The age ranges from 11 to 17 years old. Whoever has the most eggs will win $10,000. For more information on this event, visit the Lumen Field website for details. That's all I have for the morning news. This is Daniel, signing off.
The following message is transmitted at the request of the Seattle Police Department at approximately 10:30 a.m. Pacific Standard Time. Multiple 911 calls have come in about Easter eggs having bombs inside of them, and all the bombs are expected to detonate in about 10 minutes. All residents in the city of Seattle are strongly advised to seek to an underground shelter immediately. Take supplies with you to your shelter, such as food, water, clothing, medical supplies, a flashlight, first aid kit, fully charged cell phone, phone chargers, and a battery-powered or hand-crank radio to last you for the duration of this emergency. People who are attending the Easter egg hunt are currently being evacuated. Stay tuned for more information on this dangerous situation. The following message is transmitted at the request of the Seattle Police Department at approximately 10:40 a.m. Pacific Standard Time. Multiple bombs have been detonated at the Lumen Field in the city of Seattle. The stadium was completely destroyed and most people attended the Easter egg hunt were not able to evacuate. The police are currently trying to figure out who put bombs inside of the Easter eggs. Due to the explosions, toxic smoke has spread up into the air. All residents with a 15-mile radius of the stadium are strongly advised to seek to a fallout shelter immediately. Find an interior room on the lowest floor of a sturdy building. Stay away from windows, doors, and outside walls. Close and lock all windows and doors. Turn off all heating and air conditioning systems. Close all fireplace dampers, and seal all cracks on doors and windows with tape or damp towels. Take supplies to your shelter, such as food, water, clothing, medical supplies, a flashlight, first aid kit, fully charged cell phone, phone chargers, and a battery-powered or hand crank radio to last you for the duration of this emergency. Stay tuned for more information on this dangerous situation. Administrative message. The following message is transmitted at the request of the Seattle Police Department. All clear. I repeat, all clear. All of the toxic smoke that was caused by the explosions of the Easter eggs at the Lumen Field in Seattle has cleared out of the city. You are now free to leave your shelters at this time. However, there is massive damage to the Lumen Field. The police have also found out who caused the eggs to have bombs inside of them. It's been confirmed that a group of people decided to put bombs in these eggs. The police were able to find them and they have been arrested. We thank you for participating in the emergency alert system. You may now resume to normal programming.